Okay, we're back with another video here today. We're looking at the LiftMaster model WLED. This is the one I had on my door. I have a video of it up on my door at my old house. It's probably 4 or 5 years old, but you can go back on my channel and look at that. That was shot after I took my original 87504 down because I was so displeased with the noise that it was making. So I put the WLED up, and that was actually up before the 87504. So, I'll show you the panel on this one. There it is. One of the originals. This has the silver Chamberlain built DC motor in it. This one is nice and quiet. Sounds very good. We'll run in a moment, but I'm going to talk a little bit about it first. The WLED actually doesn't even have the, some of the parts aren't even available for it anymore, believe it or not. Which kind of annoys me, we'll just say. But they don't have the LED light pods available anymore. What do I mean by that? These right here. That's what they refer to as LED light pods. So yeah, if they go out, yeah, you can't get them anymore. But this is probably the best LED operator they ever made from Chamberlain. Much brighter than the 87504 and 6690L and some of the other ones. Very well built machine. And as a matter of fact, I will show you the bottom of this. I know a lot of us have seen it, but hold on a minute. Let me sit you down. There's your light output. That's about a 40, I think it's 4,000 Kelvin is the temperature of that. So, nice, cool light. Obviously battery backup, Wi-Fi, MyQ. This is lock capable as well. It's got the lock terminals on it. I will show you. Let me set it back down here, hopefully without dropping it. Okay. Lock terminals, see them? Some of these didn't have it. Some of the Chamberlain versions didn't have it. If it had a camera on the bottom of it, Chamberlain's theory was you don't need a lock on it if it's got a camera. But this is made in 2018, so of course the 880 has both the buttons, as you can hear when you click it. There it is, the original. But I've got a keypad here. Let's go ahead and give it a run so you guys can hear what it sounds like off the door. As you can hear, definitely sounds very quiet. You can hear the clicks for the lock terminals engaging, for the power to the lock terminals to engage the lock. This keypad, I think, has got a battery that's low. Yeah, it's going to be difficult. Let me just run it with the arrow here. So yeah, overall, very good machine, very quiet. One of my favorite LED machines they made because it has the red case, and I love the red case machines. But yeah, that's my LiftMaster model WLED. These were made from 2018 through 2021, up until the 87504. So that is the LiftMaster model WLED. Fantastic operator. Very much a favorite of mine of the MyQ units. So have a good one.